That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. That's a very unorthodox kind of a field he has set. Plays and misses. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That is a very quick single taken. Oh, got him. What a magnificent piece of fielding that was. Has to walk back to the pavilion. That was such a waste of a wicket. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy.
In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike.
Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
Nudges it for a single. Deep point in place.
Oh, that must have really hurt.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. Change in bowling here. Spinner into the attack now.
That has made some serious damage.
There is a fielder at cover.
Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end.
He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series.
He has hammered that. and that sails into the crowd for a 6.
Can he do it again? Straight up in the air, and that's a 6. He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for a 6.
There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. Oh, that was a seriously quick ball.
Spinner into the action from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. Slips in place. That's a nasty delivery. Must have hurt.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands.
Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide. Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery.
Great shot. He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Informed fast bowler into the attack now. Expect some serious chin music. He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. Strokes it into the gap for a single. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. What a match this has been. It's a jam-packed stadium here today, witnessing an edge of the seat thriller here.
Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
Oh, shot, but only a single. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover. Beautifully bowled and well left. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next?
Trying to up the run rate there. A very loose shot in the end.